Hey everyone, welcome back to RGB Tech. And today I'm super excited to talk about a PDF tool that's going to make your life so much easier. If you work with PDFs at all, you know how frustrating it can be to edit, convert, or organize them. But with TenorShare PDNob PDF tool, everything gets smarter, faster, and easier. TenorShare PDNob Editor is a super handy tool that uses AI to make working with PDFs simpler and quicker. It helps you edit text, convert files, and even rearrange pages all with just a few clicks. And the best part? It's really easy to use. One of the cool things about this editor is the AI-powered features. It can automatically recognize and extract text and images from scanned PDFs, which makes editing and converting documents a breeze. It's all about saving you time and effort. And here's some exciting news right now. TenorShare PDNob Editor is having a huge sale with up to 72% off. You can get a 1-year license for just $9.90. Plus, there's also a big event going on where you can experience all the features 100% for free for a limited time. That's right. You can try out everything without any limits. Just click the link in the description below to get started and grab these amazing offers. Simply click on free download. It's available for both Mac and Windows versions. After downloading, install the setup. All right, it's done. Now we are on the main interface. Here we have some quick tools like PDNob AI. Interact with PDFs more intelligently using AI. You can convert PDF to Word document, PDF to PPT. And there is OCR support as well. The recent files section here displays all the PDF files you have opened. Simply click on Open PDF, or you can drag and drop any of your PDF files here. This opens my PDF. Looking at this PDF document, it appears it will require some work. At the top, there are options such as magnification, allowing you to zoom in and out of the PDF. The add icon allows you to open multiple PDFs simultaneously in tabs. Additionally, there is a page icon to view a PDF in various layouts, such as single page, 2-page scrolling, and in different sizes. All right, let's take a look at the Home tab. Here we have Highlight option. You can highlight words or text in PDF. Select color, highlight the text. The user interface is straightforward and user-friendly, especially when compared to other PDF tools. I'll highlight this thing. Okay, stickers can be added. These are PDNob stickers. I'm going to add this bulb because it looks nice. Similarly, you can add even more stickers. There is an Edit All option, allowing for the modification of text and images within the document. You can easily alter the text. Okay, so here I'll change text to my channel's name. You can also edit image. Simply I'll replace with another image. Adjust the image and it fits very well. Add text. You can add text anywhere on the PDF. I'll add some more text data in here. Like in this way, it's very easy to add and use. Here there is an option called OCR. It's optical character recognition. So what does that mean? Basically, the computer will look at this text and understand what the text is so that you can edit it. So here I'll select scan option for only editable text. Select the language you want to recognize in the PDF. Now perform OCR. It will detect and highlights the text. And there is an option to convert this PDF into Word, Excel, and to PowerPoint. You can also add more number of PDF files. Here, set the custom path. Select format you want to convert, so the Word document is selected. Click on Convert. All right, the PDF is converted into a Word document. It looks same as usual, no missing words and stuff. Let's also try with Excel here. I'll remove these files. Okay, this one is enough. Now click on Convert. Okay, the PDF gets converted into Excel. Looks quite odd. You can also convert this PDF file into an image. Convert it. Thus, our PDF file containing 2 pages is split and converted into 2 separate images. Merge PDF. You can merge more PDFs into a single PDF. So let me show you. Simply I'll add another PDF file to here. Page range is selected to all. Now click on Merge. The PDF which we added got merged. Compress a PDF. You can adjust the compression level to reduce the file size while managing the quality of the document. And there's a screenshot option to capture a PDF document. You can use screen recording. First, set the desired size for the recording, then begin the recording process. All right, let's proceed to the comment. Here, we have an option to highlight text on the screen, as I mentioned at the beginning. Underline the text in a PDF. You can cut the word lines, add stickers, as usual. You can also add stamps to the PDF, like for standard business stamps, signs, approval, or digital stamps as shown here. I'll make this PDF as reviewed. There's an oval option that allows you to highlight items by encircling them on a PDF. You can add arrows and rectangular shapes to PDF to highlight specific elements. Let's go to the edit section, and everything remains the same as usual initially. You can add text, add image. There is a link option. To add links on PDF, simply select the area you want to add link. You can add web page URL links. I'll add link here. Set appearance and apply. If I click on the link again, it will directly open the web page to which it is linked. You can also link any existing file. Select file and apply. So it opens up the image. And there are some other options, like you can crop the PDF document. You can add a watermark to a PDF. You may use your own watermark or a brand image, adjust the transparency, set the watermark angle, and position the image as needed. You can add background to PDF, and there is a header footer. You can edit your header and footer. Simply add the content to display on header. Adjust the size, set position, then click on Save. Now let's go to Convert option. You can create PDF document from any other document. You can convert PDF to Word, to Excel, PowerPoint, and also to an image, as mentioned in the very beginning. You can convert PDF to RTF or to text format. And there is a batch convert to convert lot more number of PDF files into different formats. In page section, you can edit pages. You can modify, adjust the pages, or you can insert new blank PDF page. You can also split PDF into 2 parts. Let's go to Protect section. Here, you can encrypt this PDF by setting a password for the document. Additionally, you can create a separate password for editing or making any modifications to this PDF. Encrypt the following functions and then save. Now let's open this PDF again. All right, the PDF will require a password to open. And document restrictions have been set. Therefore, to edit this PDF, you will need to enter the password that you have created specifically for it, and the Tools section, which we have already covered at the beginning of this video. And finally, there is an inbuilt AI feature, which includes a chat option that allows you to summarize content within PDF files. This feature helps you quickly understand long documents by providing concise summaries, saving you time and effort. It uses advanced AI to analyze and extract key information from your PDFs, making it easier to focus on the most important parts of a document. All right, so the TenorShare PDNob PDF editor is truly a smarter, faster, and easier way to handle your PDFs. Whether you're editing text, converting files, summarizing content with the AI chat feature, or taking advantage of the big sale, it's all right at your fingertips. Don't forget to check out the free trial and grab your deal while it's available. Click the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.